Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are showing you a toy which is a horse-drawn wagon. Do you like playing with toy cart? This carriage can make you feel like a royal adventure. The cart has a small, built-in music player. Wow, this one looks real. Perfect for pretending you're riding a real horse. Imagine all the treasures you could carry in here. This toy cart is made of wood. Wood is a strong and durable material, which makes it perfect for building toys like this one. It comes in small pieces, and you have to do it yourself to assemble it to a toy cart. It will be a really fun time doing it. Children learn best through hands-on experiences. Building and playing allows them to engage their senses and actively participate in the learning process. Fosters creativity and imagination. They can envision themselves as drivers, builders, or even inventors, creating stories and scenarios around their play. Even the grandparents can enjoy with them. It has a gear system which transmits power to the rear wheels, propelling the entire cart to move forward. All the materials are precise laser-cut pieces which are friendly to the young hands. Overall, this toy provides a versatile and engaging tool for educators to promote holistic development in children, encompassing cognitive, physical, social, and emotional domains. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.